Rialto Wax15 is a transparent, protective treatment for indoor lime-based surfaces such as marmorini and decorative polished plasters. Rialto Wax15 is a water-based mixture made up of natural wax and soaps and siloxane additives. Thanks to its very fluid structure, it is quick and easy to apply by brush. Apply 1 coat of Wax15 using a brush or a synthetic sponge, making sure to evenly distribute the product and proceed to apply on limited areas of around 1 square meter at a time, avoiding any excess absorption of the material. After a few minutes, we can already polish with a soft cloth until the surface is completely dry. Transparent Rialto Wax15 won't alter the color of the finish, and it will protect the surface, giving it high water repellency. It is ideal for application on Rialto Antico Lamato or Rialto Epoca Marmo. We will now compare the different absorption rate of water between a treated surface and a surface protected by Wax15. Effective and permanent protection, easy to clean with a dry cloth or with a diluted neutral detergent, making sure to always dry the surface with a soft dry cloth. If you want to modify the chromatic aspect of your wall, Rialto Wax15 can be tinted with colored inorganic Rialto coloring pastes. It is recommended to add the pigment in a percentage of 0.2 to 0.5%.